Ever found yourself staring at a form, a website, or even a customer service rep asking for your Relay account number, and you're just drawing a complete blank? Like, is that even a real thing? Or is it some secret code only banking wizards know? You're not alone, trust me. We've all been there. That moment when you feel like you're missing out on some crucial piece of financial information, and the clock is ticking. Maybe you're trying to set up a direct deposit, or perhaps you're needing to link your Relay account to a third-party app, or, just trying to figure out where your money is going. It's a weird feeling, right? Like you're holding a treasure map, but the X marking the spot is written in an alien language. And the problem is, Relay account number isn't always the most straightforward term. Banks, financial institutions, and even some payment platforms use different terminologies, which only adds to the confusion. So, you start Googling, and you find a bunch of vague articles, and maybe a few forum posts with even more confused people. Sound familiar? Well, today, we're going to cut through the noise and get to the bottom of this. We're going to demystify the Relay account number and show you exactly where to find it, no matter what situation you're in. We'll explore the different ways it might be presented, the common pitfalls, and most importantly, how to get that number in your hands quickly and painlessly. Now, before we dive into the specifics, let's address the elephant in the room. What exactly is a Relay account number? Simply put, it's a unique identifier associated with your account within the Relay platform or with a financial service that utilizes the Relay network. Think of it as a special code that allows systems to route transactions and information to your specific account. But, here's the kicker, it's not always labeled Relay account number. Sometimes, it might be called your routing number, account number, or even a combination of both. And depending on where you're looking, it might be presented in different formats. Let's start with the most common scenario, accessing your account information online. If you're using Relay's online banking platform or mobile app, the account number is usually readily available. Here's what to look for. Log in and navigate to your account details. Once you're logged in, look for sections labeled Account Summary, Account Details, or something similar. These sections usually contain all the essential information about your account. Locate the account number and routing number. In most cases, you'll find these numbers clearly labeled. The routing number is typically a 9-digit number that identifies your bank, while the account number is the unique identifier for your specific account. Note the format. Pay close attention to the format of the numbers. Some systems might require you to enter them without spaces or dashes, while others might require a specific format. Now, what if you don't have access to the online platform? No problem. Here are a few other ways to find your Relay account number. Check your bank statements. Your account number and routing number are usually printed on your monthly bank statements. Look for them at the top or bottom of the page. Look at your checks. If you have checks associated with your Relay account, the account number and routing number are printed at the bottom of each check. The routing number is the first 9 digits, followed by your account number. Contact customer support. If you're still having trouble finding your account number, don't hesitate to contact Relay's customer support. They can provide you with the information you need and answer any questions you may have. Use your debit card. Sometimes, when connecting to third-party apps, you can link your account by entering your debit card information. The system will then find the associated account number. Be careful, as this is not always the case, and you should be aware of the security protocols of the app you are connecting to. Use the Relay website help resources. Relay, like most financial institutions, have help sections with FAQs. You could search directly for account number or routing number. This may yield specific instructions for your account type. Now, let's talk about some common pitfalls and things to watch out for. Confusing account numbers with card numbers. Your debit or credit card number is not the same as your account number. Your card number is used for making purchases, while your account number is used for routing transactions between accounts. Entering the wrong routing number. The routing number is crucial for ensuring that transactions are routed to the correct bank. Double-check that you're entering the correct routing number for your bank branch. Sharing your account number with untrusted sources. Only share your account number with trusted sources, such as your bank or authorized payment processors. Be wary of phishing scams that attempt to steal your financial information. Not understanding the context, as mentioned earlier, the term relay account number may be used loosely. Make sure you understand what the requesting party is asking for. If they ask for routing or account and routing, make sure you provide all requested information. And here's a quick tip. If you're frequently asked for your relay account number, consider storing it in a safe and secure location, such as a password manager or encrypted document. This will save you time and hassle in the future. Now, let's address a few specific scenarios. Setting up direct deposit. When setting up direct deposit, you'll typically need to provide your account number and routing number to your employer. They'll use this information to deposit your paycheck directly into your account. Linking your relay account to a third-party app. Many third-party apps, such as payment apps or budgeting tools, require you to link your bank account. You'll usually need to provide your account number and routing number to complete the linking process. Making online payments. Some online merchants may require you to provide your account number and routing number for direct payments. Be sure to only provide this information to trusted merchants. International wire transfers. If you are performing international wire transfers, you may need a SWIFT code or IBAN number, in addition to your account number and routing number. Always check with your bank for specific international transfer requirements. Remember, if you're ever unsure about anything, don't hesitate to contact Relay's customer support. They're there to help you navigate the complexities of your account and ensure that your transactions are processed smoothly. Finding your Relay account number shouldn't be a stressful experience. With the right information and a little bit of patience, you can quickly locate the number you need. And remember, banks have customer service lines for a reason. Don't be afraid to use them. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.